Right now, a high-profile murder case took a big turn today in downstate Illinois. Former Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson took the witness stand in his own defense. Grayson is accused of killing Sonya Massey as she was unarmed in her own apartment last summer after she called police for help. Chris Ty is in our newsroom with today's testimony. Chris.
Hey, Marie, we didn't know if he would take the stand, but he was the first witness up for the defense. Grayson faces 3 counts of first-degree murder. Jurors last week heard from Grayson's partner, who said he wasn't afraid of Sonya Massey, but he was afraid of Sean Grayson. Today, Grayson's versions of events himself.
You called us.
When they arrived, Grayson's body-worn camera wasn't on. This video is from his partner's camera. I should have turned it on when I saw the broken window of the car outside, he told jurors Monday. That broken window, Massey's initial call for help, and having to wait 4 minutes for her to answer the door made him concerned. He said he thought someone else could have been in the house, adding, I believe she was possibly under the influence of something and that she appeared scatterbrained.
I got some paperwork.
He turned his camera on as he began to question her. As they moved from the living room to the kitchen, he says he noticed that teapot on the stove. I saw the bottom of the pot was turning red, so it seemed very hot. Then she picked up the pot and walked towards me. I wasn't quite sure what she was going to do, he told jurors. Grayson says Massey asked, "Where are you going?" Grayson responds, "Away from your hot steaming water." I took it as a threat, he told jurors. It raises a lot of concern for me, and I believe she was going to throw the water. We were trained to use force that's going to gain compliance. He did have a taser with him that night, but he said he didn't use it. Why? She was wearing layers, and both prongs have to stick in for the taser to work. The shooting happened shortly after she shouted,
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Grayson ended today's testimony by telling jurors, the only thing I had to stop the threat was my duty weapon.
Prosecutors asked why he didn't include his incident report that he was going to shoot her in the expletive face. It was captured on his partner's body cam. Grayson said he wasn't sure why he didn't include that. Testimony has wrapped for the day. Closing arguments actually set for 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. The jury, Marie, is likely to have this case by this time tomorrow.
And we will have live reports covering it all. Chris Ty in our newsroom, thank you so much.